We've all done quite a lot of training to be where we are in the roof cleaning, and safety is paramount. So to get a ladder up onto your roof and start scraping it off with a trowel or whatever you're going to do, no, you're not insured up there. It's risky. It is risky, and we do it in a way that's safe, obviously from the correct access equipment, access towers, cherry pickers, etc. And we know what we're doing. We know the chemicals to buy. We've done plenty of roofs to know what to do. I understand that people want to save themselves a few quid, but honestly, we've been round to properties and put properties right where other people have tried to clean them and haven't done a very good job, you know. We've got the correct dositrons, which is the machine that puts the chemical onto the roof, so it's got an even spread. Otherwise you're going to end up with one bit of your roof will be patchier than another bit of your roof because you've just thrown a chemical on there that you've bought from B&Q or wherever. So yeah, stick to letting the professionals do it and keep yourself safe.